Hello everyone, I am Walt. Here we are with part 35 of 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. Part 35 is all about, or rather, principle 35 here is all about, of course it's going to be about happiness, but it's about activity. So we've talked about going outside, but being active. And I think the interpretation I would spin kind of on this is being active in the sense of, more aerobic exercise, more strenuous kind of exercise as well. So not just like cardio, but on top of that, like doing some stuff like weightlifting can be pretty effective for endorphins. And one of the big reasons it makes you happy is because of the endorphin release of exercise. Now, that said, if you push yourself too hard, you're clearly going to get some sore muscles, but a lot of us don't really push ourselves hard enough in our exercise, and if we do, we don't push ourselves often enough. Now, I'm sure there are a few of you out there who are all like, super buff and like bodybuilders, or, just good at exercising and staying in shape, keeping on top of that, and so great for you, just like great if you're excellent at saving and investing, you're on top of it. But I'd say a lot of people have issues with the, getting active, being active. But the thing is that as hard as it is to get out there and do it, it's also one of those things where when you actually go ahead and do it, it will make you feel a ton better. So yeah, get active, go for a run or go for a breezy walk, that can always be good. I would recommend, if you just take the time to do some basic bench press kind of stuff, that can be good for you. It can make you look good and to feel good at the same time. So I don't know. I would say that that's a good recommendation. But anywho, yeah. So that's basically it, and I'll see you guys next time with our next video. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.